We're doing it on Omega. I forgot to save the replay on part 1. 422 part 2. GOON versus TIMELORDs. First game he won, and second and third I win. So he won, so I was able to go first. Fractal, Kit, Dump Kit, Nerval, add Fractal, Karis, discard Karis, special summon, effect, banish 1/2 for Verjeet, special summon, Fractal, banish 2 for Bearbrum, 4 Apo, 4 material Apo, Bearbrum, and Verjeet. Verjeet's gonna draw and put back to the bottom. Bearbrum's gonna add the Revolt and put to the bottom of the deck. Cat. Okay, set the Revolt. I should have probably set this too, because if I would have activated this, I would have had a card from Nerval to activate the Twin Twister. I thought I wouldn't have anything, but the Revolt with Nerval sending to grave. So he's gonna set a card and special summon Raffian, the Time Lord. And then yeah, if he's gonna battle, this guy doesn't get destroyed, you can special summon it without tributing, but you could. And that'd be special summon from the deck. You could, if you control the monsters, you can normal summon this card without tributing. Cannot be destroyed by battle or card effects. You take no damage from attacks involving this card. At the end of the battle phase, if this card battled, inflict damage to your opponent equal to the attack of one monster your opponent controls that battled this card this turn. Once per turn during your standby phase, shuffle this card to the deck. So yeah, he was gonna attack, doesn't get destroyed, and then I take the 32. Screw that. Revolt, those for Shureg 1, Jailing 2, Nerval, Kit 3, Kit dump Nerval, add Fractal, and then Shureg banish Raffian. And then main phase 2 sets 2. Then he's gonna activate empty time machine and on draw phase, and then I chain it with Twin Twister, discarding Ash, and he activates Chainlink 3 infinite time machine. Okay, he's gonna send that. This will be protected, but then I popped Demise of the Land. Okay, he had Mystic Mine in here too. He Mystic Mine me game 1. Infinite time machine. Can I get Sandeon. Well, Fractal, banish 4. Chireg, banish, and attack, OTK! That was OTK? I think so. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Part 3. Game 3. He goes first. What's it gonna do? It's gonna pot of extravagance. Alright. Set 3. Twin Twister, draw phase, shotgun. I discarded Nerval. He's gonna time machine, so I picked these two. Or empty machine, and then infinite machine. He discarded Sandian. It's gonna set infinite light. Oh, demise of the land. Gonna activate that Mystic Mine. Nerval, add Fractal. Main phase 1, Red Eyes Fusion. Resolving. Battle. Red Eyes, Direct Attack, and then I Pot of Prosperity. 1, 2, 3, vanished. And who did I pick here? Cat, Kit, and Ash. I picked the Hand Trap, Ash. Infinite Light. What is he gonna do? Only one Infinite Machine. Okay. Once per turn, if you control no special summon one Time Lord. From your hand, deck or graveyard with different names. Ignoring. Oh yeah. So I ashed that. Mystic Mine. Thank God I didn't try to negate Infinite Light with Dragoon, because Mystic Mine is gonna get negated. And I discarded Gamma. Negate, destroy, gain 1000. He ends his turn. I draw. It's gonna Infinite Light. It's gonna special summon a Time Lord. I Dragoon. Discarding Kit. Negating its effect, but it does not get destroyed because right here. This card cannot be destroyed by your opponent's card effect. Kit, dump Nerval. Add Karis. Main phase 1, normal summon Fractal. And he scoop. Let's do wins. Does he have a deck? He does, yeah, Cler. 422. Apologies on the episode on the part 1. I was I thought I was in a rush. God damn it. Where were we? 1222, 1240, 422. 422 right there. Let the net decking. I don't know if you're gonna net deck this. He only has 11 in the side deck. Triple Mystic Mine. It's got the train package in there. The Nightmare package and the Karibos. He's missing 4 more cards. Still at 261, still at 261. Comment, share, like if you sub, it's to be selected. See you guys.